Meaning of green grow the rushes oh.
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 Green grow the rushes oh. Green Grow the Rushes Oh is a traditional folk song with murky origins. The meaning of the lyrics varies depending on the interpretation, but many believe it to be a counting or mnemonic song used to remember religious concepts, with each verse representing a different item such as the Ten Commandments or the Apostles' Creed. Others see it as a representation of nature and its changing seasons. Regardless of its true meaning, the song remains popular today and continues to be enjoyed by both music enthusiasts and those curious about its history.